Starting with the lesson number 2 of the unit number 7, enhancing tables using append structures. Enhancement of tables is done with the help of two ways, and the first one is customizing include and second one is append structures. First one is append structures, second is customizing include. Before discussing about this customizing include, starting with the append structure. Now what is this append structure? This append structure allow you to append the fields to a SAP standard transparent table without need to modify this transparent table definitions. A single append structure is always assigned to exactly the one table. There is a condition that for a table we can assign only a single append structure. When the table will activate, the active append structure for that table are located and the fields will be appended to the tables. As you can see in this figure, this is a table. The table name is SAP underscore table are having three fields, field 1, field 2 and field 3. And someone programmer has forgotten to add the two fields, field ZZA and field YYB. Now he want to append these fields into the existing table SAP underscore tab. So how he can append these fields in the tables? With the help of append structures. Now the programmer will create an append structure in the dictionary and include the two fields, field ZZA and field YYB, and make the part of this transparent table and activate it. When it issue a activation command, the new fields will append to the existing transparent table SAP underscore tab. As you can see in the second slide, the append structure are created by the customer in their own namespace. As a result, they are protected against overwriting during an upgrade. A conversion is not essential when you add an append structure or insert field into the existing one. Now you can see when we are converting this process from this SAP table tab to new structure field 4, then it would difficult to manage this table as compared to appending the structure. So append structure is the best way of adding the forgotten fields into the existing tables. This is the same example which is showing there are two ways by appending of the fields. The first one is directly appending with the help of adding the field into the existing table SAP underscore tab. Another option is by using the append structure, append ZA SAP underscore tab. But this is a cost effective method over the directly changing of the table SAP underscore tab. Now come to the next slides, enhancement of the tables. In this slide you can see how a customer can enhance the structure and tables defined by the SAP in ABAP dictionary. I have already told you about the two methods. The first one is customizing include, second one is append structure. First method, customizing include, that means with the variant certain place within structure or table are already reserved for the enhancement. So the customizing include allow you to add more fields by using the existing or reserved enhancement categories. But second method is appends. With this method, any field without the previous reservation can be appended to the end of the structure or as well as tables. So customizing include is already existing depending on the existing enhancement which are reserved in the SAP systems. Now, as I have already discussed about the technical settings, and in the technical settings we have number of types of options: logging, buffering, as well as data class you can assign. The third type, that is data class, that must be selected so wisely so that the table can enhance easily. Now how we can enhance this table, and we have number of type of enhancement category when we enhance the table. You can also write down this about enhancement categories. The first one category and the level is level 1. In this level 1, which is defined as not classified, that means the structure doesn't have an enhancement category. Second one is level 2, not enhanceable. That means the structure cannot be enhanced. Third one is level 3, enhanceable and character type. That means all the enhanceable will be of character type like. Fourth one, level 4, enhanceable and character or numeric type. Level 5, freely extendable. That means the structure and its enhancement may contain the component whose data type is optional. Component types are optional. So this was all about the lesson number 2 of the unit number 7. Unit number 7 has been completed here.